A, B, C are three TV channels. A survey shows that 30%, 20%, and 85% of the people in a locality watch A, B, C respectively. 20% watch exactly two of the three channels, and 5% watch none. Now let us draw a three-set Venn diagram. Let us consider that three-set Venn diagram where ABC are three TV channels. Let me consider that this is A, B, and C. Survey shows that 30%, 20%, 85% people of the locality watch ABC respectively. So basically this is 30, 20, and 85, this three channel. 20% watch exactly two of the three channels. So if I consider that this is D, E, F, so D plus E plus F, these are the three smaller cell, which is exactly two types. Some of them it is given as 20% watch exactly two. So this is 20. Two of the three channels, and 5% watch none. So outside it would be 5. This is the information given here. Only this much information, and on the basis we need to go on solving problem. Now let us get our first question given here. What percent of people watch all the three channels? All the three, that means this segment inside. Now in our given information, I can find that whenever it is capital A plus capital B plus capital C that I am forming, capital A plus B plus C, this one is how much that I want to find. Capital A plus capital B plus capital C. These three segment if I add, which is actually as per the given data 30 plus 20 plus 85. But this is, if I write them three category of people, like this is small a, this is small b, and this is small c, which is actually only one TV channel viewer, small g, which is all three. In this way, if we categorize this entire part, then sum of a, b, c, which is 30 plus 20 plus 85. Now this addition, if I do it, what happened? A plus B plus C, they will appear one time whenever I am adding them. But D, DG, EG, and FG, along with this ABC, these will appear. And whenever they are appearing, what happened? D, E, and F, these are the three, they are appearing definitely two times each. Whenever I am adding A, B, C, these actually the capital A, capital B, capital C, then these overlap zone, A, B intersection zone, it is also actually twice appear. So due to that reason, D, E, F, I am considering that two times of them will appear, plus three times of G is appearing. Means A plus B plus C, if it is given like that, it would be nothing but one time category plus two types category, 2 into 2 types category, plus 3 into 3 types category. This way they will appear. And our target is to find it out this 3 type category, which is all 3 channel watcher. And DEF, these values I know. Again, if I want to find it out, A union B union C, this is the part. That means the covering part of A union B union C, which is actually, as it is outside 5, so it can be considered as 100 minus 5, because 100 is the total and 5 is the none. 100 minus 5, this is 95. And this union, if you write it down with the subcell concept, then it would be A plus B plus C one time. Similarly, D plus E plus F one time. Similarly, G one time. So if you take it out, these are the two different relation. One relation is this one, and second relation is this one. In one relation, that added of these three part is equal to ABC one time, DEF two times, and G three times. So it is coming as 105, 135. 135 is sum of that, and 95 is sum of these. These are the two equations. Now these two equation, out of the DEF data I know, if I subtract 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 if I do, then coming as 40, which is equal to D plus E plus F one time plus 2G. Now D plus E plus F, that is already mentioned, that it is equal to 20. So I can write 40 minus 20 is equal to 2G. So from here I can say G is equal to 20 by 2, 10. That means all three channel I can find, that should be 10% of people, those who are watching all three channels. If the same survey indicates that 20% watch A and C is actually E plus G, that is 20%. 16% watch B and C, B and C, B and C, GF. Then what percentage of people watch only A? Only A, that I need to find it out. Okay, let me get this idea. 20% watch A and C. So this is, these two sum is 20 mentioned. 16% BC. BC means these two sum is 16. Then I want to find only A. This part is how much? This should be our target. And already I got that G is 10. So can I consider that if G is 10, then let me remove that 20, 60. So as it is 10, so these two 20, so it should be 10 also. This is 16, so this would be 6 only. Okay, that much I have received. Now can I find it out from DEF, which is 20 mentioned, and EF already I got 10 and 6, 16. So from here I can find D will be equal to 20 minus 16, 4. So I can consider this is 4. Once I have received that, total A is 30, and out of that these three data is already there. So 30 minus sum of these three data, 10 plus 10 plus 4. For 24 if I remove, so it should be 6. So my answer for this question, it's coming as option A, 6, by this way.